Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you how you can create beeps or alerts in Excel. There might be a scenario wherein you do a particular task in Excel or a change a value where you need to get some kind of an alert. So now we'll see how we can get that kind of an alert. Okay, so let's take this example. Here, here we have a student with his roll number and marks. Now here the marks can never be above 100. So I need an alert or a beep when the value of these marks is above 100. So for the moment, if I try to type in something here, let's say 150, there is no alert and no beep, and I am not aware, I don't get an alert that the value is wrong. So for that, I need a beep. So let's see how we can do that. The first step is that we have to go to the developer tab and then click on Visual Basic. Now, when you do that, first we will have to define a beep function. Okay, and a beep function is a standard function in Excel, okay, which will help us to generate that beep. So to do that, I'll do a right click, go to insert and go to module. So I'll insert a new module. Here I'll type function beep now. Okay, so that's the name of the function, and the keyword here is beep. So whenever this function will be called, a beep will be generated. So that is the first step. The second step is we have to define the condition when this function will be called so as that the beep will be generated. So to do that, I'll go to the sheet 1 and here I'll select worksheet from the top, and from this drop down I will select change. So on any change, I'll delete the first one. So on any change of the worksheet, I want this function to be executed. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I will also define a condition on which this function should be called. Okay. So I'll declare a variable which says dim val. Okay. And in this variable, I will read the value of these cells from the Excel sheet. So the cells are 6, so sixth row and third column 6 comma 3. Okay, so I'll read the value of cell 6 comma 3, and then I'll define a condition. For example, if val is greater than 100, so if our value of the marks is greater than 100, then call beep now, that was the name of my function, and then end the statement. So you see, it's a very simple code, and that's the way it will work. Now we will see how this works. So whenever I put a value, let's say above 100, okay, I get an alert from the system. Okay, what we could also do is we could generate a message box. So to put a message box, what we can do is with the beep, we could also type msgbox and then write invalid value. Okay, so we could also generate an alert like that, a message box alert, and then let's say if I type something here which is above 100, then it's an invalid value, and if I type something which is below 100, that is fine. So that way we can also get a message box alert and a beep alert on this value. Also using conditional formattings, maybe you could also define different colors for it to also get a visual impact. So these are the three different kinds of alerts that you could probably use while working on Excel. I hope you like the video. For more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel, Excalibur. Thank you very much.